Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always me, Rough Virus, and in this video I'm gonna share a few moments from our last paint protection film training here in California, LA. And we are at the Tint World. To be honest, we are not in LA, we are in the city Murrieta, California. So as always I would like to show our training setup and how it looks from inside, how this company looks from inside. Ooh, can you close doors? Good. So Tint World offers many different services to their customers: color change wraps, audio, alarm systems, auto security, audio video, rims, PPF, all what you need for your vehicle, whatever you want. Not only window tinting, but all other services, even extra lights. Do you want some lights on your car? There you have. Colors pretty much match our brand, Rough Virus brand, yellow and black. So I'm a bit jealous about this setup because I would like to have our studio like that with yellow, black. So even floors, yellow tails with the gray tails and black tails. They look nice. Workshop is super clean. Let's ask Casey what they do here at Tint World, California.
Hello, I'm Casey from Tint World in Murrieta, California. We offer a vast amount of services for our clientele, including paint protection film. Obviously, we do window tinting. We do full audio systems, ceramic coating, and we also cover a full array of suspension, lift, level, lower, wheels, and tires, so we can make your ride look perfect.
Pretty much your customer gets everything in one place.
Yeah, one-stop shop.
One-stop shop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Today is already second day of paint protection film training here, and we have one car on which we are practicing. This brand new Toyota GT86. We're installing clear paint protection film on entire front. Bonnet already done, fenders done, and we still need to finish mirrors. As well, we laid gloss black PPF on the roof. And now let's dive in our training session. So guys, when we work with the templates, most important thing to learn how to align them correctly. So all the time we're trying to find a way where to tag the product, where to tag paint protection film. For this bumper, we started with the middle part and we aligned this area, we stretched all the way there, aligned there, and we needed to be sure that this circle will be nice and straight. And using the template, this middle part is laid separately, so as well it's very important to align it very nice. Most time on parts like this, we're gonna align on this edge and then we're gonna slowly work this way and align that edge, that joint. And when it's everything aligned, we can remove soap from under the film. Normally during the training we use a few different methods. We're learning how to install templates, how to install modified templates, and how to use bulk installation method. So now we're gonna cut a few panels, we're gonna cut a A-pillar, we're gonna cut mirror, and then we're gonna try to install them. This driver side mirror, we've done bulk, this mirror. On other side we're gonna use template. Of course you need to have a graph tech to cut your material, and you need to have a software to make it happen. So guys, our paint protection film training here at Tint World in California is over. We had a very good time here with the guys, a lot of laugh. Car is finished, we installed paint protection film on the entire front. Now guys, washing this car because it will be delivered to the customer tomorrow. So, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time.